As predicted, the weeds have grown. So today I'm going to get out my Wolf Tool scraper jobby and dig out some more weeds in the patio. I did this a couple of weeks ago, but they've actually sprouted up quite a bit, grass and that in between the cracks. The patio wants a good clean off really, but there's no point doing that until the sort of springtime. So let's crack on and get some of these weeds out. So that's that then. What was a lovely sunny day out there is clouded over and looks like it's set to rain shortly. Tina did say it was forecast for rain this afternoon, but while it was beautiful sunshine we didn't really believe it. So I've just thought I'd come in the greenhouse. I've got all the patio done for now, but thought I'd show you these spring onions and how they're getting on. Obviously they're not undercover anymore. They're obviously still in the greenhouse, but the propagator top we're actually using on the propagator now in the kitchen. So these are uncovered and doing quite well. So I'll just give you a quick look. So here they are. A couple of inches tall. Coming along quite nice. See how much they grow in the seed trays, because I think it's too hot it's too cold and the weather conditions are a bit unpredictable for sticking them outside, but most of the growth on a spring onion is on the top anyway, so we'll see how they do in these seed trays. This is unpredictable bleeding weather. Look at it now, absolutely glorious sunshine. The sky does look a bit black over there though, so we could be in for a spot of rain. We might all be dashing indoors very soon, but while the sun's out we shall do a bit more. What's that saying? Make hay while the sun's out. It's something like that, I can't remember. We'll see what else is going on. This is what we're up against. Beautiful sunshine there. Black as the ace of spades over there, and it's gradually working its way towards us. Cereal bar. Looks like a bit of squirrel shit in every bite. So that brings to an end this vlog. We're gonna have to dash in. Sun's out again. It's a bit hit and miss. We don't know what's happening. It is black over there. It's like night time. So we've pretty much done all we can do out here. But I shall retire back indoors and get back onto my book. We're writing a chili cookbook. Tina comes up with the recipes. I write it. It's got a few recipes in it. If anyone's interested, just drop us a line in the comments and it'll spur me on to get it finished. But I've had a few sales on my other ebook, so that's, you know, very nice. Thank you very much for that. And yeah, so we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.